this girl just make a movie like me and my sis, and she doesn't like me.
Hello. This girl bullied my sister.
No, she doesn't bully my sister. She just bullied me.
Bakit ikaw? Kilala ka ba niya?
Look. She asked me. My sis checked her. Now I'm gonna speak Philippines. Okay. Kapal na mukha mo, ba't mo ako inekit You can translate it if you want. Wait.
Hoy!
Okay. Bido naman itong babae na to. Ikaw nga mag-usap dito sa babae na to.
Shut up! Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, we are proudly presenting to you my presentation of this fucking girl. Okay.
You bitch.
Bitch. Okay, ask me Tagalog frequency. Ikaw yun? Sorry! Shut up! Shh!
Wow! Busy ka man naman dito. May kaaway ako.
Hey girl! You fuck bitch! You always, basta,
You unstoppable.
ikaw kapal mo ako, bida-bida ka. Inaano ka ba ng pinsan ko? Inaano ka, putang. Inaano ka ba ng pinsan ko, ha? Buisit, bahain to. Kala mo ganda-ganda mo, payatot ka. Talino ka, girl. Like, talino ka.
Wait lang. Yung buhok niya.
Ang ganda ng buhok pailo mo, ha?
Her hair is peach. Because she's in Australia. I know she talked to me. She live in Australia. And I
Bida-bida
saw
mo,
her body like
She look like snake. She look like snake.
She look like a snake.
Snake naman to.
Something like that.
Bida-bida ka, te. Kala mo, ganda ng profile mo. Ayusin mo muna profile mo bago mo lailin yung profile na pinsan ko. Akala mo, ganda-ganda mo. Putang ina. Inaano ka ba na pinsan ko? Ha? Akala mo, inaano ka ba? Nananahimik yung pinsan ko. Asarin mo ng mataba? Ikaw nga, piyatot mo. Mga kawayan eh.
Thank you.
Kawayan overload.
Thank you.
Inaano ka ba
And
ng pinsan
nobody
ko?
even likes you. Look at your subscribers.
Tignan mo ang subscribers mo. Kapal na mo na mukha mo na 18 pinsan ko. Ako makakalaban mo, tamo. Tapos sasabihin mo pa. Sasampalin mo siya sa school. Ang kapal na ba kapag... Laglag ka na sa building, tamo. Ako, iniinis mo ako, ha? You know,
Cry babies. Cry babies magic.
I can control my mouth, but not my facial expression. Alam mo yun? Siyempre, di, wala kang utak ka, bobo ka eh. Tatagal ko
Her
yun.
brain is in the
Kaya kong kontrolin ang
Mars.
bibig ko, pero hindi ang mukha ko. Ako lang ako yung soft-hearted na...
Fix your face.
Ako lang ako yung soft-hearted na rude ang mouth. Kaya, don't mess up with my cousin, okay?
Meron ka nito.